Hope you all guys are doing awesome. In this video, we are gonna discussing about links and images and how we can put links and images in our website. First, let's talk about links. For a link, we are using A. A means anchor tag. This is anchor tag, and it has a href attribute. In here in the href, we are putting link inside of it, whatever we want to visible for the users. I'm gonna showing YouTube in here, and in here I'm gonna putting YouTube link. All right, now let me open with live server. You guys can see it's showing what inside of this tags and what inside of the attribute href, the reference. It's a link. The link is not showing for us. If I click on this, it start loading. Give it some time. The URL is changed to youtube.com, but internet is super lazy. Start working. You guys can see this is the YouTube interface, and I don't know why, but the internet is super slow. But you guys can see it start working. All right, let's put one other link, and this time I'm putting my Instagram link. This is my Instagram developer Wasim. Let me If I click my install link, you guys can see the link is changed and my profile starts showing. This is my profile. You guys can follow me or you guys can text me. Whatever queries you have, I will answer you if I have time. Also, if you are not finding it, then type developer Wasim in Google. Just type my name. You guys will get my TikTok account. You guys will get my Instagram account. Maybe in future you guys will get my YouTube also. I think that's it. The links. Let me comment it out. For commenting, press Control and /. How we can put image in our website? If you type img and enter, img means image, and image tag have two attributes. One is alt, one is src. If you put something in alt, and let me show you. You guys can see there is a broken image showing and my image. Remember, sometime your internet is not working, and on the website, if you search it, showing this kind of images like broken images and then the text. This all text is about this image. Whatever text we are putting inside of the alt attribute, it's about this image. But I saw most of the developers, they are not putting any text in here and they just remove it. Why? Because nobody have that much time to put this kind of things. Everybody want to make website quicker and don't want to waste their time on these things. And me too, I'm not putting this. And if you guys can put text about your image, that's good. But if you cannot, I think it's not too much necessary. And now we have just one tag, src, source. We need a source. Source is like location of the image. For example, I have no image right here. Let me find some image. All right, you guys can see now I have an image in my HTML folder. Its name is wasim.png because it's my image and I'm naming like this. Now type dot and slash, dot and /, and then select your image. What is dot slash means? Dot slash means find a file in the current directory. If you guys put double dot, then its meaning is something else. Put single dot, remember single dot. This is my image, but sometimes we have no image. Let me remove the image for now. And we need to take it from Google. Then if you are taking from Google, then type unsplash.com. It's a website where you can find beautiful images for your website, and right click, and there you guys can see copy image address. Copy, come back to VS Code, paste it. Control V for paste. Now you guys can see this text is too much. For that, if you want to wrap it up, then go to view and wrap But there is a most easy way. If you press Alt Z, Alt and Z, Alt Z, so it will wrap on wrap, wrap on wrap. Now let me show you the image. Is it showing on our website? Yeah, it's showing. Let me find some one other image. This one is better. Okay, now let me put one other image, img, and in source put the image link and let me remove it for now. Now you guys can see this is our second image. This one is pretty cool. If I copy it and paste img, paste my image and remove this for now and open it, you guys can see images start showing. I will see you in the next video. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching. Hey, remember, stick with me. Consistency is the key of success.